Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top 10 best smart window air conditioners. If you're in the market for efficient cooling solutions that integrate seamlessly into your smart home setup, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at each model, highlighting their key features, performance, and value for money. Number 1. Midea U-shaped inverter window air conditioner 12,000 BTU. The Midea U-shaped inverter window air conditioner stands out with its innovative design, providing open window flexibility and robust installation. With extreme quiet operation and energy-saving capabilities, it's a top choice for those seeking both comfort and efficiency. Pros: open window flexibility, energy saving, extreme quiet operation. Cons: limited availability in some regions. Number 2. Midea 12,000 BTU U-shaped smart inverter air conditioner. Similar to its counterpart, the Midea U-shaped smart inverter air conditioner offers ultra-quiet operation and smart control compatibility. Cools up to 550 square feet efficiently and seamlessly integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. Pros: smart control compatibility, energy saving, works with smart assistants. Cons: slightly higher price point. Number 3. Frigidaire FFRA051 WAE window-mounted room air conditioner. The Frigidaire FFRA051 WAE is a reliable option for smaller rooms, boasting easy temperature control and a washable filter for hassle-free maintenance. It's perfect for those seeking straightforward cooling without advanced features. Pros: easy to clean filter, simple temperature control. Cons: limited cooling capacity for larger rooms. Number 4. Midea 5000 BTU Easy Cool Small Window Air Conditioner. Ideal for smaller spaces like bedrooms or home offices, the Midea Easy Cool Small Window Air Conditioner offers efficient cooling with straightforward mechanical controls. Its reusable filter adds convenience and reduces waste. Pros: compact size, reusable filter. Cons: not suitable for larger rooms. Number 5. LG 6000 Window Conditioner. With quiet operation and remote electronic control, the LG 6000 window conditioner is suitable for rooms up to 250 square feet. Its dual cooling and fan speeds provide flexibility for personalized comfort. Pros: quiet operation, remote control included. Cons: limited coverage compared to other models. Number 6. GE Electronic Window Air Conditioner 6000 BTU. Efficiently cooling smaller areas like bedrooms and guest rooms, the GE Electronic Window Air Conditioner offers easy installation and operation. With its 6000 BTU capacity, it provides reliable comfort during hot summer days. Pros: easy install kit, efficient cooling. Cons: may not be suitable for larger spaces. Number 7. Haier Window Air Conditioner 10,000 BTU. Perfect for medium-sized rooms, the Haier Window Air Conditioner boasts Wi-Fi connectivity for remote control via smartphone app. With its 10,000 BTU capacity, it offers energy-efficient cooling to keep your space comfortable. Pros: Wi-Fi enabled, energy-efficient cooling. Cons: higher price point. Number 8. Midea U Inverter Air Conditioner 8000 BTU. The Midea U Inverter Air Conditioner features a unique U-shaped design for easy installation and extreme quiet operation. With energy-saving capabilities and smart control options, it provides efficient cooling for smaller spaces. Pros. U-shaped design. Energy saving. Cons. Limited availability in some regions. Number 9. Frigidaire FHWC054WB1 Window Air Conditioner. The Frigidaire FHWC054WB1 offers simple and effective cooling with electronic controls for easy operation. It's designed to cool smaller rooms efficiently and comes in a sleek white finish to complement any decor. Pros. Electronic controls for easy operation. Suitable for small rooms. Cons. Limited cooling capacity for larger spaces. Number 10. LG 12000 BTU Dual Inverter Smart Window Air Conditioner. The LG 12000 BTU Dual Inverter Smart Window Air Conditioner is a top-of-the-line option with ultra-quiet operation and energy-saving features. It's capable of cooling larger areas efficiently and can be controlled remotely using LG Think, Amazon Alexa, or Google Assistant. Pros. Ultra-quiet operation, energy-saving dual inverter technology, smart control compatibility. Cons. Higher price compared to other models. Each of these smart window air conditioners offers unique features and benefits to suit different needs and preferences. Whether you're looking for energy efficiency, smart control capabilities, or quiet operation, there's a model on this list that's perfect for you. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each model to help you make an informed decision for your home cooling needs.